The Little Red Hen's Raspberry Cake. In a cozy little cottage with a garden full of flowers lived a little red hen. She was a very busy hen, always sweeping, planting, or baking. She loved to work hard from the moment the sun rose until it set. The little red hen had 3 friends who lived nearby, but they were not busy at all. Jasper the cat loved to find the sunniest spot on the porch and nap all day long. Rusty the dog loved to find the shadiest spot under the big oak tree. He would lie there and doze, his ears twitching at the sound of buzzing bees. And Clover the horse loved to stand in the greenest part of the meadow. He would swish his tail and munch on sweet, tasty grass from morning until night. One sunny morning, while weeding her garden, the little red hen discovered something wonderful. A wild raspberry bush, heavy with juicy red berries, was growing by her fence. She plucked one perfect berry and popped it in her beak. "Delicious," she clucked. "What a treat! I shall bake a wonderful raspberry cake for everyone to share." She grabbed a woven basket and went to find her friends. First, she went to the porch where Jasper the cat was napping. "Who will help me pick these raspberries?" asked the little red hen. "Not I," purred Jasper without even opening his eyes. "I am much too busy soaking up this lovely sun." Next, she went to the big oak tree where Rusty the dog was dozing. "Who will help me pick the raspberries for a cake?" she asked. "Not I," woofed Rusty, letting out a big yawn. "I'm far too comfortable here in the cool shade." He rolled over and closed his eyes again. Finally, she found Clover the horse standing in the meadow. "Who will help me pick the raspberries?" she clucked. "We can make a sweet cake." "Not I," neighed Clover, his mouth full of grass. "This patch is too tasty to leave." "Then I will do it myself," said the little red hen with a sigh, and she did. She went back to the bush and carefully picked every single ripe raspberry until her basket was overflowing. Back in her tidy kitchen, she laid out everything she would need. "Now I need flour from the pantry and a fresh egg from the coop," she said to herself. "Who will help me gather the ingredients?" she called out her window. "Not I," came a sleepy purr from the porch. "Not I," came a lazy woof from under the tree. "Not I," came a muffled neigh from the meadow. "Then I will do it myself," said the little red hen. She scurried to the pantry for flour and sugar and went to the coop to get a perfect brown egg. She put everything in a big yellow bowl and washed the sweet raspberries. "This batter looks lovely," she chirped. "Who will help me mix it all together?" Jasper the cat stretched and yawned at the door. "Mixing is hard work. Not I." Rusty the dog thumped his tail on the floor. "I might get my paws messy. Not I." "Then I will do it myself," said the little red hen, and her voice was a little louder now. She held the big wooden spoon and mixed and mixed and mixed. She stirred until the batter was smooth and creamy. Then she gently folded in the bright red raspberries. She poured the sweet, pink batter into a cake pan and slid it into the warm oven. Soon, a wonderful smell of warm cake and sweet raspberries filled the air. The delicious scent drifted out the window, across the yard, and over the fence. The smell tickled Jasper's nose, and he woke from his nap with a twitch. The smell made Rusty's tummy rumble, and he got up from his shady spot. The smell floated all the way to the meadow. Clover the horse stopped chewing. "What is that yummy smell?" he wondered, and he trotted toward the little cottage. The little red hen took the beautiful, golden brown cake out of the oven. "Now," she said, placing the perfect cake on the table, "who will help me eat this raspberry cake?" "I will," purred Jasper. "I will," woofed Rusty. "I will," neighed Clover, poking his head through the open window. "No," said the little red hen. "You would not help me work, so you will not help me eat." And she ate every single crumb of her delicious cake, all by herself.